Kausap po natin ang nagsisilbing Procurator and Dean of Seminarians ng St. Joseph Regional Seminary, si Father Mark Joseph Hormigoso. Magandang umaga ho sa inyo at welcome sa Bombo Radio Philippines, Father. Si Bombo Genesis po ito at si Bombo Jai, Father.
Hello po, good morning po, Bombo Janet po. Happy Valentine's po sa inyong lahat at sa buong bansang Pilipinas po.
Happy Valentine's po sa inyo, Father. And thank you so much for joining us sa Bombo Radio Philippines. Well, napag-uusapan ho natin itong Valentine's Day. Sa panig ho ng pananampalatayang Katoliko, ano ho yung significance ng celebration na ito para ho sa mga deboto, para ho sa mga nananampalataya sa Katolika, Father?
Sa atin po kasi yung original naman po talaga, galing po sa Christian and Ancient Roman tradition naman talaga, yung Valentine's Day, no? Named after Saint Valentine. Isa po siyang pari noong 3rd century na according sa legend na he secretly performed weddings po for the Christian couples, no? Na despite po na hindi pinahintulutan ni Emperor Claudius II. Then during February 14, no, nakulong po siya at later po pinatay po siya. Ang date po ay February 14 around 269 AD po. Then as time goes by, yung legend po kay Saint Valentine, parang ano po ang 5th century, no, si Pope Gelasius I establish niya po yung February 14 as Saint Valentine's Feast Day. So pinalitan po yung parang pagan Roman Festival na Lupercalia, parang fertility celebration po. At noong Middle Ages po, si Saint Valentine naging associated, yung associated po sa romantic love, especially sa England at saka France. No? But by 19th century, dito na po nag-start po yung exchanging cards, yung gifts po, naging popular na po at saka parang nagiging civil activity na po ito. Pero again, as we celebrate Valentine's, it is actually appreciating the essence of love and sharing also the great message of love, which is to share, to give hope, love, and to manifest sa buhay po natin.
Bombo Jai?
Alright. Father Mark, maayong aga sa imo. Ang aming katanungan ay ano po ba yung best way no sa pag-celebrate nitong Valentine's Day?
Yung Valentine's Day po siguro in general po, no, remember po na yung Valentine's Day hindi po lamang ito for the exclusive love o para po sa mga couple lang, pero in general po this means we have to be reminded of the real essence and meaning of love po. Siguro yung sa akin po, mayroong tutulang po ako na very short lang po na concrete steps how to express love in this day of Valentine's. No, first, show kindness po. Simple smile, a kind of word, or a small act of generosity can brighten someone's day. So compliment someone, for example, hold the door open or check in on a friend, musta siya. No, we have to express kindness today. Second po, listen with compassion. Many people are hurting and just need someone to listen. So be fully present in conversation, offering understanding and encouragement without judgment. So parang nowadays, no, we do not have time anymore to listen. That is why as we listen, as we celebrate love today, let us listen for one another with compassion. Third po, yung concrete way din po ng sharing love today is to forgive and let go, no? Holding on to grudges only deepen wounds. No, choose to forgive not because the other person deserves it, but because love brings healing to both giver and receiver. Number 4 po, serve someone in need. No, volunteer, donate, or simply help someone who is struggling. Love is not just a feeling, but an action that makes a difference. Number 5 po, share words of encouragement. Speak life into others, send a heartfelt message, write a note, or post something uplifting to spread hope and positivity. I think po in social media, no, kahit po yung yung sa Facebook or sa Messenger, let us start today sharing what is positive, no, what is good messages, so that we could always be a source of encouragement sa others, sa iba po. Number 6 po, pray for others. That is the most important thing, no? Lift up the hurting, the lonely, and even those who have wronged you in prayer. No, wag muna nating i-chismis or maging manifest tayo for today. But we pray for those who hurt us or those also na nasaktan natin. Love grows when we seek God's grace for ourselves and others. And lastly, and most important thing po na huwag nating kalimutan, love yourself. You can pour from an empty cup. No, yun yung sabi natin. Take time to rest, reflect, and remind yourself that you are worthy of love and kindness as well po. So, yan po yung sigurong pwede nating gawin for today po. Yung simple steps, pakongkreto po ito.
With such a guidance, Father, kahit kahit single, pwede talaga mag-celebrate ng Valentine's Day, ano? Kind words, act of generosity, kindness, isagawa na ngayong araw na ito kasabay ng Valentine's celebration. Maraming salamat, Father. Ingat po kayo, Father.
Thank you po. God bless po.
Si Father Mark Joseph Hormigoso. Siya po ang Procurator, mga kabombo, and Dean of Seminarians ng St. Joseph Regional Seminary.